Indo-Pakistan ki hauzik thokliba mungnaba sida Pakistan na mai pakna India ki mayokta thabak kaya pangthokpa ngamki haina phongdoragliba si oidaba amadi lana sandokpani haina India na sengdokre. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, Wing Commander Vyomika Singh amasung Colonel Sophia Qureshi yauna in New Delhi da ngasi ayuk pangthokiba paugi mifam amada Wing Commander Vyomika Singh na hai khut thokna duna muknariba sida Pakistan na phongdorakliba wafam Singh ase minamba amadi propaganda sanabane masigi mathakta Jammu and Kashmir da michom miyamna khundaba mafam Singh da atamna na target tawduna war crime chathari haina su maral sikhe. Pakistan na drone attack Singh chathaduna India gi airbase amasung airport sing yauna maroiba mafam singda attack tawduna amangata thokhanki haiba adu aranba lana sandokpani masigi paukhum oina India na amangata thokhide haina airbase singi image sing su puthokhe.
Pakistan employed UCAV, drones, long-range weapons, loitering munitions and fighter aircrafts to target civilian areas and military infrastructure. Pakistan military also resorted to air intrusions using drones and firing of heavy caliber weapons along the line of control. Along the international border and the line of controls, air intrusion and several harassment attacks were also attempted from Srinagar till Nalia at more than 26 locations. Indian Armed Forces successfully neutralized these threats and majority of the vectors. However, limited damage was sustained to equipment and personnel at Indian Air Force stations at Udhampur, Pathankot, Adampur and Bhuj. Deplorable cowardly act targeting of civilian infrastructure also had taken place where Pakistan attacked the Medicare center and school premises at the air bases of Srinagar, Avantipur and Udhampur, yet again displaying irresponsible targeting of our civilian infrastructure. Indian Armed Forces carried out precision attacks only on identified military targets. These included technical infrastructure, command and control centers, radar sites and weapon storage areas. Pakistan has also attempted to execute a continued malicious misinformation campaign with claims of destruction of Indian S-400 system at Adampur, destruction of airfields at Suratgarh and Sirsa, BrahMos base at Nagrota, RT gun positions at Derang Yari and Chandigarh forward ammunition depot, with heavy damages to other military stations being propagated on social media. India unequivocally rejects these false narratives being spread by Pakistan. Along the line of control also, Pakistan has attempted multiple air intrusions using drones and conducted shelling using heavy caliber RT guns, targeting civilian infrastructure and killing some civilians. Heavy exchange of artillery mortars and small arm fire in Kupwara, Baramulla, Poonch, Rajouri and Aknoor sectors continued.